What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin was the first widespread application of blockchain technology. Bitcoin was conceived as a peer-to-peer electronic cash for the internet, meaning that people can exchange it without need for a bank, a government, or other intermediary. Transaction on the Bitcoin ledger are permanent adoptable in currency and distributed. Important, the Bitcoin blockchain has never been hacked. Sign it inspection. The supply of Bitcoin has been limited by the design, and only 21 million Bitcoin will ever the issue. An increase in the Bitcoin value will not afford its supply. Bitcoin has emerged as on one only verification scammer imputable and capital in the world, and it the attacking investment as a store of value asset, which is why some call it digital gold. Like gold, Bitcoin is a the race for digital payment broadly spelled into two categories: central bank digital CBT DCS and stable coins on public blockchain. Bitcoin force in central bank for the reason that cryptocurrency payment rails are more effective to the payment. On the other hand, stablecoin dollar pages cryptocurrencies like USDC, Tether, DAI, Celo, and Libra live on public open source blockchain like Ethereum and have a growth to more than 20 billion in market size, up 2013% from 6.7 billion January 1, 21. Stable coin are the crypto